Well, next tonight, the wildlife charities aiming high with plans to reintroduce sea-eagles to the Severn estuary. The predators were last seen soaring above the tidal waters between South Wales and southwest England 150 years ago, before they were wiped out by hunting. Now, following a successful project in Scotland, there are hopes that the species could be brought back to other areas of the UK, as our Wales reporter Rhys Williams explains.
For centuries, this remarkable sight was a common one across the UK. But the last British white-tailed eagle, or sea-eagle, was shot in Shetland in 1918. They've since been re-established in Scotland, Northern Ireland and England. Now there are plans to do the same in the Severn estuary.
They are absent from our landscape because of humans, so we have a opportunity here to reinstate them and introduce ecosystem function back into our wetlands, and something we're particularly interested at WWT, something called the landscape of fear, where we think reintroducing these apex predators will help keep all of our smaller predators on their toes.
This white-tailed eagle, called Aquarius, is kept at the British Bird of Prey Centre in Carmarthenshire, but there are none in the wild in Wales. With a wingspan of nearly 8 feet, sea eagles usually eat commonly available fish and waterfowl, which helps other struggling protected species to grow. The hope is, once the eagles are restored to southeast Wales, they will meet others in nearby southern England and combine.
They can become extinct solely because of human persecution, so we strongly believe that we have a moral duty to restore them back. This project's not only restoring a native lost species, but important ecosystem functions.
But not everyone has welcomed their return to our skies, with some concerns from the farming community, particularly in Scotland, that sea eagles may target lambs.
We know that the results that are coming out of Scotland, they can scavenge and they can maybe take the rare opportunity to take sick, injured, but there's no evidence of them taking healthy, viable lambs. So we believe that that would be mimicked in the Welsh landscape.
The proposals will see all the eagles tagged so the birds can be kept safe, and any allegations livestock have been harmed can be investigated. The hope of campaigners is that by 2026 these majestic birds will be soaring over the glistening waters of the Bristol Channel for the first time in more than a century. Rhys Williams, ITV News.